Hello, my little ones. Good morning. Hope you all remember what we learned yesterday. Yes, number name 11. So today, first we will revise number names from 1 to 11 orally, and then we will practice writing number name 11 in our notebook. Before starting our session, let's revise the number rhyme once again. Number rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's sing once again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Now children, let's revise number names from 1 to 11. Which number is this? 1. And its name is O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Now we will write number name 11 in our notebook. First we will write the date. Today's date is 1/7/17.12.2020. Now on the top write the heading. Our heading is number name. So write capital N. Then all letters will be small. U, M, B, E, R. Number. Now leave one finger space and write capital N. N, small letter A, M, E. Number name. Children, first put 2 dots. Below these 2 dots, write down 1, 1, 11, a small dash, write down E, L, E, V, E, N, 11. Again put 2 dots. Write down 1, 1, 11. A small dash. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Again put 2 dots. Write down 1, 1, 11. A small dash. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Again put 2 dots. Write 1, 1, 11. A small dash. E, L, E, V, E, N. Again put 2 dots. 1, 1, 11. Small dash. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Again put 2 dots. Below these 2 dots, 1, 1, 11. A small dash. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Again put 2 dots. Write down 1, 1, 11. A small dash. Write down E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Read once again with me. Number 11. And its name is E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 11. Say its name. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Number is 11. E, L, E. Stop. So children, in this way you can practice in your notebook. Now it's time for an activity. Look here children, I have kept some flashcards of numbers. You have to place the flashcards of the objects and its name accordingly. Now which number is this? 2. So where is the flashcard of number 2 object? No, it's not there. It's not there. Here it is. So we are going to place it here. Now where is number name 2? No. Yes, it's here. TWO2. So we are going to place it here. TWO2. Now next, which number is this? 4. So where is the 4 object? No. 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 Here it's. So we are going to place it here. And where is the number name 4? No, it's not number 4. No, it's here. FOUR 4. So we are going to place it here. F-O-U-R, 4. Now which number is this? 9. So 9 objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So we are going to place it here. And where is number 9? Yes, number name 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Which number is this? 7. So count 7 objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So we are going to place it here. Now number name 7. Yes. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now which number is this? 11. So 11 objects. And the number name of 11 is, yes, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Children, keep on practicing number names. Bye.